Hi, I'm Scott Cutler, Head of Global Listings at NYSE Euronext. Despite the lingering uncertainty weighing on economies here and abroad, in 2012, the global listings business at NYSE Euronext, for the second year in a row, raised more proceeds from IPOs than any other global exchange. 112 IPOs listed on our US and European markets, raising $34 billion in global proceeds. We were also the global leader in follow-on deals, with 390 offerings on our global platforms, raising total proceeds of approximately $145 billion. In the US, we led the market with 77 IPOs. 7 of the top 10 best-performing IPOs of the year were listed on the NYSE. A key milestone for us this year was that 52% of US technology IPOs chose to list on the NYSE, making us the leader in technology IPOs in 2012. Among the tech listings on NYSE this year were Workday, Palo Alto Networks, Millennial Media, and Yelp. Our leadership in new tech listings signifies how we are becoming the exchange partner of choice for this generation of innovators. In the US, we also led the market for number of transfers this year, with 16 companies having moved or announced a transfer to our platforms from NASDAQ, 15 to NYSE and 1 to NYSE MKT. Of the 15 companies that moved or announced a transfer to the NYSE, 3 were among the top 100 largest companies by market cap listed on NASDAQ, including Teva Pharmaceuticals, TD Ameritrade, and Infosys. In Europe, NYSE Euronext welcomed 24 listings so far this year from a variety of sectors, including healthcare, consumer goods, technology and telecommunications, raising total IPO proceeds of 2.7 billion euros. Key listings on our European platforms included Group Eurotunnel, the first company to be admitted to trading on NYSE Euronext in London. BTG Pactual, Brazil's largest investment bank, listed on NYSE Euronext in Amsterdam. And Dutch cable operator Ziggo launched our largest European IPO in 2012, also on NYSE Euronext in Amsterdam. Beyond IPOs and transfers, we remain focused on our global issuer community through our advocacy efforts and global issuer services platform. This year we acquired Corpedia, a leading global provider of ethics and compliance services. With its corporate governance, risk, and compliance assets, Corpedia expands the extensive range of global services available to our listed companies. NYSE Euronext was an advocate for MiFID II and small and medium enterprises in Europe, and announced plans to launch a pan-European exchange dedicated to SMEs. In the US, we were deeply involved in the development and passage of the Jobs Act, which is aimed at helping emerging growth companies access the public markets more efficiently. These efforts, coupled with the launch of our NYSE Big Startup Initiative, further contributed to our goal of unlocking the potential of our capital markets community in 2012. We're thrilled with our accomplishments this year and remain focused on leveraging our differentiated, high-touch, high-tech model, our world-class issuer community and brand to continue to add value to our global customer base. Thank you for your support and the opportunity to serve you this year. We look forward to more good things in 2013.